These are things or tips na gusto kong i-share sa inyo para you can also incorporate it in your life. Mas gusto ko siyang naka-arrange ng ganito compared to something na nakalagay sa pouch pero normally I follow a skincare schedule. I do a 10-minute clean kung saang area ko gusto. Hello lovely human! Welcome back! For today's video, I will be sharing with you the systems that I do that made my life easier. I love systems. As someone who does a lot of things in her life, ang daming mga bagay na gusto kong magkaroon na ng template, gusto kong madali na lang, parang meron ng mga step-by-step process. And along the way, I developed systems or habits to make me efficient with every single day in my life. Well, of course, hindi naman ako everyday efficient, pero these are things or tips na gusto kong i-share sa inyo para you can also incorporate it in your life. Kasi, of course, systems equals efficiency. So these are tips that really worked for me and it might not work for you as well. So kayo nang bahala mag-tweak, kayo nang bahala magdagdag, magbawas sa lahat ng mga tips na ibibigay ko today. If may naririnig kayong si Bagnet yun, nandito siya sa baba ko. Okay, the first system I'd like to share with you guys is that I arrange my makeup by step. Okay, what do I mean by that? Ganito siya. So, for example, kasi I only take out one set of makeup, by the way. Tapos, nilalagay ko siya by step. Like, for this one, etong row na to are for concealers, foundations. Ito is for bronzers, etc. etc. Step by step siya. And that way, hindi ko naiisipin. Kunwari nagme-makeup ako or nagmamadali ako, hindi ko naiisipin kung, oh my gosh, ano na bang sunod kong step? Or ano bang next na brush na gagamitin ko? Or anong color ng lipstick ba yung gusto ko today? So, I understand that some of you guys, it's a joy for you to choose makeup or to choose the color of your lipstick. But for me kasi, it's not the case. I only have one of each. So, very minimal lang yung makeup kit ko. Mas gusto ko siyang naka-arrange ng ganito compared to something na nakalagay sa pouch. Kasi it annoys me kapag talagang nagkakalkal pa ako sa loob ng pouch kung ano yung sunod na brush na gagamitin ko or kung anong product yung sunod kong gagamitin. So, this really helped my systems a lot and I put it here dito sa parang vanity cabinet ko or vanity desk. Para everyday kapag nag-ready ako, hindi na siya mahirap for me. Aside from my makeup, I also arrange my skincare into categories. Ito naman, kung ano yung kina-minimalist ko sa makeup, yun yung kina-maximalist ko sa skincare. Kasi if you have been following me for a while now, you know I love skincare. And I have a lot of it. So, ito naman yung I find joy in collecting. I find joy in choosing products for my face. So, ayun. Ito naman yung ang dami kong product. So, sa dami nga niya, I arrange it by category. So, toners lang. Serums lang, etc. etc. Para din, kapag kunwari, next step na ako, next step, hindi na ako mahihirapan maghanap. Also, ako lang ba yung ganito ka-nerd? Pero, I also have a skincare schedule. Yung skincare schedule ko, as in, by day. Yun yung sinusunod ko every week. Of course, depende sa kung ano yung feeling kong kailangan ng skin ko that day. Pero normally, I follow a skincare schedule. That way, kunwari, today is a Wednesday, hindi ko naiisipan kung ano ba yung kailangan kong ilagay today. Is it retinol? Is it BHA and AHA? Is it, do I need to put on a sheet mask, etc. Ayun. Tip might work for you too. Fourth tip is I have a receipt dump. I used to get so stressed Kasi before, kung maghahanap ako ng physical receipts, like for example, merong aircon, tas nasira, tas hindi ko alam kung under warranty pa ba siya or not. So, dati, nung wala pa akong system, talagang kailangan kong maghanap ng resibo, tas nawala ko na pala siya. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon, whenever I have a purchase, I immediately take a photo of the receipt and then I dump it into my Google Keep. Kayo bahala kung saan nyo gusto ilagay na system. Pero ako, I like putting it into my Google Keep para malagay ko doon kung ano yung date, kung malagay ko doon kung ano yung purchase. Tapos, kapag sinipag ako, ilalagay ko din doon kung hanggang kailan yung warranty niya. That way, I have a filing system of the soft copies ng receipt. So, kahit mawala yung receipt na to, mahahanap ko pa rin yung soft copy niya dun sa Google Keep. Anyway, yung mga shops naman ngayon, pumapayag na sila sa soft copies ng receipts. Okay, next system that I have is I automate the payment of my bills and my savings. So, sa payroll account ko, ay ina-enroll ko na doon yung mga kailangan kong bayaran monthly, like phone bills, minsan Meralco, yung iba insurance, yung iba payment sa properties that we invested in. Yun, in-automate ko na siya lahat, ine-enroll ko na. As of the moment, I either use GCash or I use Union Bank for that. Aside from bills, I also automate my savings account. Meron akong mga iba-ibang savings account for different purposes. I think I could also make a separate video for that, kung paano ko ba kinakategorize yung mga savings ko. But as of the moment, yun, in-automate ko siya lahat para hindi alam ko na secured na yung mga paglalaanan ko ng pera ko. Next system that I have is I have a place where I just copy and paste my delivery addresses. So, I have a couple of delivery addresses and I also put this on my Google Keep. So, merong, kunwari may magko-contact sa akin kung saan pwede mag-send ng mga PR packages or yung mga isa-send ko kina Kuya Grab, Kuya Lala Move, or any courier. So, nakalagay na siya. Meron akong template sa Google Keep ko kung sa bahay ba, or sa office, or sa bahay ng mga Lana, or ng mga in-laws ko. That way, if anyone asks for it, I just need to copy and paste it on from my Google Keep to wherever, kung sino man yung nanghihingi sa akin ng delivery address ko. So, that way, hindi ko na kailangang i-type palagi ano yung Waze PIN, ano yung contact details ko, ganon. So, it's just really something na elevated my efficiency as well as a person kasi yun nga, may templates na siya. Next system that I do is that I arrange my workout clothes by pairs. So, alam niyo yun, in the morning, alam ko, na-experience nyo na rin to, na kukuha kayo ng workout clothes tapos hindi nyo mahanap yung ka-pair niya or kapareho niya. So, ngayon, ang ginawa ko is, sinostore ko na siya na nakapares na siya. Para kapag kumuha ako sa gabi, di na ako mahihirap. And connected to that as well, one system that I do is I prepare my workout clothes at night before sleeping. Kasi ako, nag-workout ako first thing in the morning. So, para mabawasan na yung, decision fatigue ko in the morning, sa gabi, pine-prepare ko na siya, nilalagay ko na sa taas ng cabinet ko para pagising ko sa umaga, kahit antok pa ako, ando na yung workout clothes ko, tapos magbibihis na ako. That way, mas konti yung friction and mas konti yung decision fatigue every single day. Yeah. And if you're getting a lot of value from this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and i-push nyo na rin yung notification bell just so you know kapag merong mga bagong videos from me. And you can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok because I post a lot of behind the scenes or stories na hindi nyo nakikita dito sa YouTube. Next system that I do is that I have alarms for everything. Siyempre, alarm sa pagising. Tapos, every 10 a.m. kasi tinetext ko yung sister ko for her to send me her accountability photo. Kasi, accountability messages kapag nag-workout siya or nag-journal siya, ganon. So, meron akong alarm for that. I also have an alarm where I need to prepare lunch. Kasi madalas kapag sobrang busy ko na, nakakalimutan ko na mag-prepare, nakakalimutan ko na mag-lunch, nakakalimutan ko na kung ano yung sunod kong gagawin. Next is I have an alarm to cook dinner. I also have an alarm for YouTube live chats. Like right now, my alarm just went off para makipag-usap sa inyo ngayon. I also have an alarm para sabihin ko sa sarili ko na, oh, tama na, last check na ng messages mo, it's time to wind down para makatulog ka on time. And then I also have an alarm to tell me na I need to start reading. Kasi as of now, I really like to incorporate reading as well, kahit fiction or non-fiction pa yan. It's something that I do to make my mind relax a bit with everything that's currently happening. It's also up to you how you can incorporate alarms, pero ako, lagi akong nag-alarm sa sunod kong mga gagawin in life. Para hindi ko na kailangang mag-isip. Yun. Next system, I have a brain dump of my to-do list. For my to-do list every single day, doon ko nilalagay lahat ng mga naiisip kong kailangan gawin. And doon din yung binabalikan ko para ma-make sure na nagagawa ko rin. I also have Mary for that, my executive assistant, to remind me as well. Pero yung mga as in super duper personal talaga, I have it on my to-do list. Next is I have templates for everything. May it be creating YouTube videos, may it be launching a new product, may it be launching a new brand. We have a template for that. We just really refine every single thing kasi kapag may mga nakalimutan or naisip namin na sa susunod na launch pwede natin tong gawin, ina-update namin siya. Next system is that I write my MIT the night before. So before I log out of my computer, before I shut it down, before I stop working, I list 3 MITs. Ano ba yung MIT? It's most important tasks. So, 3 things na kahit anong mangyari, kailangan magawa ko siya the next day. I only put 3 just so it won't be too overwhelming for me. Kasi ang nangyayari sa akin, ang dami ko nang kailangan gawin the next day. Nakakalimutan ko na kung ano yung mga pinaka-importante talaga. So, it's really very important for me to identify kung ano ba yung goal ko for tomorrow. Ano ba yung mga important tasks ko for tomorrow. And I write it down. Physically, I have this, this one is a gift by my good friend Shar. It's by Me Goals. I'm not sure if we can purchase this here in the Philippines, but merong nakalagay dito na action list. Ayan, action list. I'm not sure if you can see it. Action list. 3 lang yan. Diyan ko nilalagay yung most important tasks ko for the day. Ayun. You can also make your own. Depende sa'yo. Ako, I like it physically kasi gusto ko siyang natitik physically. And last but not the least, I do a 10-minute clean every single day. There will be days na sobrang busy mo. There will be days na you really have low energy. And this is something that helped me medyo organize my home. I mean, it's still not perfect. I still have to create more systems or refine systems that would make everything organized. Pero as of the moment, the tiny step that I do every single day is to at least have a 10-minute clean. Kahit saang area ng bahay. So, for example, para sa akin kasi talaga, a clear space is a clear mind. So, I make sure na before I leave this home office, everything is in place, malinis, maayos. One thing that I also make sure na maayos is the dining area. Of course, I don't, alam mo yun, parang hindi naman every single day malinis siya, and the sink. Pero kapag may energy talaga, kailangan ko siyang gawin. Everything should be tidy. Kasi wala naman kaming help yung help namin is parang pupunta lang dito twice, thrice a week para mag-deep clean. Pero yung every single day, yung hugas, kami pa rin dalawa ni Josh yun. So, I do a 10-minute clean kung saang area ko gusto. So that's about it. If you like this video, you might also like my video where I talked about the lists that made my life easier. I will put it in the cards up here and the description below. So there you go. Thank you again so much. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you on the next one.